Philadelphia-style coffee lover or Cafe Amore ice cream is a type of ice cream made entirely without eggs, relying solely on high-quality dairy, sugar, coffee, and spirits to create a memorable specialty coffee ice cream flavor. To make 600 milliliters of this very easy to make and versatile no-cook coffee ice cream base, start with 50 grams or a double shot to freshly brewed espresso. Infuse the hot coffee with 5 grams vanilla extract, 15 grams amaretto, and 15 grams Grand Marnier. This lively, slightly boozy coffee complements the luxurious texture of mascarpone cheese and the natural sweetness of sugarcane syrup. Then blend until smooth 200 grams whole milk, 125 grams high-fat cream, 100 grams sugarcane syrup like Rogers Golden syrup, the boozy infused coffee, and 125 grams room temperature mascarpone cheese. Then strain and freeze in an ice cream machine.